Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? It's Jess here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Perfect by Ed Sheeran on guitar. This song as well is also all played on Capo 1st fret. If you don't have a capo, it's fine, you can still play it, it's just it's going to be in a different key to what the original song is, so if you try to play it to the song, it's not going to sound right. I'm going to break it all down for you. Starting off with the verse, we're going to start off with G, into an E minor, into a C, and then into a D. So feel free to learn those chords whilst you're starting off with. In terms of anchor points, what we can do with that G to that E minor is we can keep our first finger where it is, into that E minor, and then for the E minor to C, we can keep the second finger where it is, into that C, and then for the C to D, we are going to have to move all of our fingers. But then back from D back to G, we can keep that third finger where it is. So there's quite a few anchor points in this one, which does make it slightly easier. In terms of the strumming pattern, this is in triplets. Now everyone gets scared of triplets. All it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, and for each chord for the verse, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right, so 12 strums in total, right? So starting off with the G, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, to D. And then for the pre-chorus, it is the exact same as the verse. So you're just going to be doing G to E minor to C to D for the whole of the verse and the pre-chorus as well. Going into your chorus, we're going to be doing E minor now, to C, to G, to D. So we've got a few of those anchor points again, but the main difficult thing everyone may find is C into G. So the best way to practice your C into your G is just practice with the first two fingers for a bit. Practice going back and forth between those, making sure that you can sort of get that bit ready, and then add in that third finger and see if you can swap between them. Once you've done that, your strumming pattern is going to be the exact same. It's going to be that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. However, we're only going to do two lots of them, or one lot of the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 per chord. So for your E minor, it's going to be 6 strums. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The last bit of your chorus at the end, where it goes into this little bit of an instrumental bit, it goes to G, D, E minor, D, C, D. So your G is played 3 strums, 1, 2, 3, to D for 3 strums, 1, 2, 3, to E minor for 3 strums, to D for 3 strums, then C for 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then finally back to D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then that's the end of your chorus. So your whole chorus is going to sound like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, G, 1, 2, 3, D, and again, E minor, 2, 3, C, G, D, and now G, D, E minor, D, C, D. So feel free to watch that bit of the video back again, because it is the harder part. It is the quicker part of the song as well. But then after that chorus, it goes straight back into your verse, where you're going G for 12 strums, E minor for 12 strums, C for 12 strums, and then D for 12 strums as well. And that's pretty much. The other thing as well is your verse and your pre-chorus is also the same as the interlude as well. So now I'm going to play through the full song alone without any vocals or anything, and you can then practice along with me, but feel free to go back to any parts that you're struggling with. Again, the structure will be on the side, and I'll also give you some other tips and things in between. So here it is, playing the full playthrough. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to see more of these, please let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see next, or if you'd like me to change anything I did in the video to make it a bit better or simpler, please, again, let me know. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.